2004 Newmar Northern Star 3932 for sale in red here. Alberta Canada T4P1H6 Spread your wings and fly with this 2004 Newmar Northern Star 3932. This Class A motorhome is 40 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Caterpillar engine mated with an automatic 6-speed Allison transmission that offers an impressive 350 horsepower. This RV has 3 slide-outs, 4 awnings, and sleeps 4 guests comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with HWH leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. With only 125,000 kilometers, approximately 77,671 miles, you can rest assured that this Newmar will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2004 Newmar Northern Star 3932 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on a campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, gas 3-burner stove, convection microwave, double-door residential refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with leaf and floor chair seating, day/night shades, 2 flat-screen televisions, surround sound, DVD/CD/Sony cab radio, traveler satellite dish, cable-ready sofa, sleeper chairs, stand-up shower, washer/dryer included, outside shower, master queen-size bed, wardrobe closet with shoe rack and shelving, soft touch vinyl ceilings, fantastic vent, ceiling fan, dual pane glass pull-out, cargo tray, 50-amp service roof ladder, power steps, center horns, 2 Duo-Therm ducted AC units, electric/gas Water Heater Xantrex, 2000 Watt Inverter Onan, 7.5K quiet diesel generator with 800 hours, aluminum wheels, gravel shield, docking lights, 10,000-pound Hitch exhaust brake, air brakes, power leather seats with passenger side leg rest, tilt telescope cab fans, power mirrors with heat, power step well covered, 2 solar panel sets, 275/70R 22.5 Michelin Tires at 60%, TreadHeavy duty tow package with 3 receivers and many other items to make your camping trips fun. This 2004 Newmar Northern Star 3932 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Allegro is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2004 Newmar Northern Star 3932.